Good day investors, welcome to the 23rd of April 2015. The trade for today is called Kumba Iron Ore or KIO. Last traded price is R133.22. The objective of this trade is to do a buy. Entry level will be R130.21 on the green line here. The target will be close to R138. Stop loss to be used is R127.61 on the red line. Current open trades is the following: it's Billiton and INP. Closed trades that happened yesterday is LOC. Looking at the top 40 index, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE. The black line is still trading above the red line, that's the 10-day moving average, and the blue line, that's the 20-day moving average, indicating that the momentum is still positive. The American stock market closed 88 points positive on Wednesday evening, and they closed to this blue line here above 18,038 points. You can see basically there's two channels here. That is the current support and that is the current resistance levels. Trading from highs to lows, quite type of volatility due to earnings season and reports coming through this week, causing this index to go up and down in huge numbers sometimes. Looking at the J200, still in a positive channel, tested this 48,000 points. Still going in a positive channel. We need to see what's going to happen. Currently the futures are very flat at this moment on the Dow Jones, as well as on the European markets, as well as on the JSE markets for opening today. This specific market closed 170 points positive after it went a bit down in the live trading as well. Let's go and look at some shares, and let's start with the banking sector called Standard Bank. Standard Bank is still trading above the green line and the 170 rand. Current trading closed at 174.18. Still in a positive momentum, but we need to see if this is the start of a lose of momentum. Look at this, there's a low and there's a high and there's a low that's lower than that low. Moved up again and we need to track this if this was a bounce or a start of a breakdown happening here. Looking at Barclays Bank itself, doing precisely the same. There was the low and it's lower than that lows as well. There's a high and it's lower than that high. We need to see if this is a pull up from 190 back to the previous highs of approximately 194, or it's just this a start of a support level getting here at 188 at this moment. Looking at Investec, broke the new record high yesterday, was up 162. Shares still in a positive momentum going high. Need to track this one also, it's quite toppish at this moment if a breakdown needs to happen, but the indication is still positive. Looking at your MTNs, MTN started to stabilize here and started to move sideways. Yesterday it closed on opening price. Previous day it was up 150, so it's losing a bit of momentum here as well. Seems to be on the top here of the channel, but it's still trading between the green and the red one in a positive momentum. Looking at Vodacom, Vodacom started to lose a bit of momentum yesterday as well. Not a lot, 20 cents down for the day, but it's still in a positive momentum of between the green and the red, showing this indication of a positiveness, but it's quite on the high side as well. Looking at your Shoprite, Shoprite is starting to test the middle Bollinger Band here on the green after it broke this channel downwards and it almost tested this lows here. Look at this low, high, low, but this low is still higher than that low, but there's a new high and that was the latest high. So it shows you this is one starting to lose a bit of momentum here, and we need to see if this is now sort of a breakdown or a break up. Woolies started to move from the side, was on the top, trading at 91.27, but it's still between the green and the red in the positive channel. Need to see if it's going to test this 90 rand, 89 rand level. At any time if it breaks it, momentum could go down. Mr. Price started to break the momentum down, tested at previous lows here, So there's the negative channel, positive channel. Now it's the start of a negative channel, high, lower, and it wants to start to break down. Keep a close eye on this one as well. Looking at your Exaros, Exaros is still trading here in a negative channel, and you can actually go now and draw it up. This is the type of a negative channel I'm talking about by using some of these channel lines here. Now we need to see if this is going to be a start of the bottom of the channel and started to break up back here above 91. Currently trading 88. Need to see if it can break to 91 and come back to 95. CFR, positive channel moving up, low, high, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, and the lows are better than the other lows. Need to see if this shares on the top now, see if it can come a bit down after it broke its previous high of 105. So let's see what happens. Please take note, next week Monday is a public holiday, and the Friday after is also a public holiday. We need to see how the people will treat the market the next day or two before they know Monday is a closed market, and if some profit taking couldn't happen. Greece data is going to be due on Friday, and there's a meeting, and everybody's eyes will be on that meeting, especially on the European side that's been struggling at this moment. Enjoy your trading.